I cannot believe it.
That's it. I'm gonna play Daisy's Plumber Plaza instead.
Okay, I'm in Daisy's Plumber Plaza. Let's play.
Yay, spring blooms. Pink bloom. You think I could do this? Yay, blooming.
I think you can do this. Okay, yay.
Yay, blooming. Let's go.
Yay.
Yeah, blooming. When? Yeah. Yay, bloomy. Let's go. Maybe that's true.
And if it's...
Yay, bloom. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, bloom. Now let's go, 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 go. Yay, bloom. I'm next. Yeah, blooms!
Level 10. Yay, blooms!
Ugh, not this again.
Idiots. This stinks. Yay! Blooms! What the?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, blooms!
Yeah! But with 2 flowers at the same time? Yeah, blooms!
I'm gonna catch you. Hey, what the?
Oh, awesome. Yay.
Oh, Twitch TV sniper.
Yay, blooms! Here it comes already. Yay, blooms! Yay! Yay, blooms! Yay, blooms! Wait, a fly trap? What is a fly trap? Oh, dude, infinity times. And I'm sick of tired of it. That's it. Computer. Everyone needs to be dying. Smash.
Forever Psychobody, get over here right now.
Oh my goodness. Forever Psychobody, I cannot believe you raids at Daisy's Plumber Plaza.
That's it. You're super duper grounded for ultimate 1 centillion millenniums. This means no Daisy's Plumber Puzzle for you. Now go upstairs to your story right now, or else we will give you a punishment day. I cannot believe it. That's it. I'm gonna escape. And I will get revenge on the next one.